You are going to love the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, driver's side remote mirror, dual exhaust, power brakes, interval wipers, rear window wiper, keyless entry, premium sound system, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.